Welcome back, guys. Welcome to day 10. We have 80 days left to go. Take a deep breath and let it sink in. We have officially moved into the double digits. 10 days ago, it was just an idea. Now it's living reality. In the language of the universe, 10 is a reset button on a much higher level. It represents number 1, the new beginnings, paired with a 0, infinite potential. In the 1 Million Smiles Project, today is the day we stop trying to fix the old mindset and consciously step into a completely new one. You hear the birds today. It's pretty quiet. Some people off in the distance. Soft teaches us that the universe moves in perfect mathematical order. In the Emerald Tablets, he speaks of the wheel of destiny and how the wise soul learns to ride on the top of the wheel rather than feel the weight of it crushing down on you. Your mental health changes the moment you decide to be the driver of your destiny. Look at this tree. It doesn't bargain with the seasons. It commands its space. By reaching to day 10, you have proven to yourself you are no longer at the mercy of random emotional weather. You're establishing the order of your inner kingdom. God's kingdom. Let's lock these 10 days of power. Stand with your tree, feet firmly planted. Take your hand and place it flat against the trunk of the tree, spreading your fingers wide apart. Feel every single finger making contact with the bark of the tree. And close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Another massive inhale through your nose and out your lungs and out your mouth. Out your lungs. See, I make some mistakes. If I didn't take notes, I'd probably make more. Take a deep breath through your nose and out your mouth, counting to 10 in your mind. Feel the raw power of the 10 days. 10 days of commitment vibrating in your chest. As you exhale slowly, pushing every ounce of doubt, fatigue, and past trauma through your hands and through your feet. Step back. Open your eyes and look at the sky. So bright. I should have my glasses on. Peace. Let a brilliant, victorious smile set upon your face. uh, say with total command, 10 days down, the foundation is locked. I rule my mind and I claim my joy. My momentum cannot be stopped. I smile bigger every day. For the 1 Million Smiles Project, day 10 is proof of concept. If you can do 10 days, you can do 90. You are living proof to anyone struggling out there with their mental health that small daily actions they compound into massive shifts. When you share your smile today, do it with confidence. Do it with the confidence of someone who has conquered this first hill. Your 10 days. Your smile isn't a mask, it is a shield and it is a sword. Use it to lift the heavy hearts of the people you encounter today. We're getting close to the end already. It only feels like moments. 10 days down and 80 to go. We have officially unlocked the next level of this journey. Carry this double-digit power into your world today and walk taller, breathe deeper, and smile brighter. And we'll see you all tomorrow for day 11. Peace. And remember, smiles are contagious.